this is Smart Fitness, and today we are going to be making some high protein, healthy banana pancakes. They require no protein powder and just simple household ingredients. So what we're going to use is banana, oats, egg whites, eggs, vanilla, and cinnamon, reverse order. Now, before we jump right into it, I just want to point out that you can make this a high quality bulky meal or a high quality cutting meal. So I'm going to make this as a large recipe, making roughly 4, 5, maybe 6 pancakes. But the macronutrient distribution in this really doesn't matter. It's just the total caloric intake that you're going to be getting from them. So let's get started. What we're going to start with, again, we got the trusty weigh scale. We're going to start off with 3 whole bananas that are going to come out to what is hopefully 10 ounces. Alright, next we're going to add some oats. I just grabbed a simple quick oat, and we're going to add about 60 grams. Because it's a larger recipe, I'm actually going to go up to 80 grams, but on average I use 1 banana and 40 to 50 grams of oats. This time we're going to 80. So that's 80 grams of quick oats, and then from there you're going to go ahead and add 3 whole eggs and 150 grams of egg whites. Finally, I'm going to stir it up. And to stir it, we've got Carly.
Hello. So now I'm here to mix the pancake mix. My objective is not to make a huge mess and keep it in. So we just have like a potato smasher in here. Just good. It smells really good. It's great for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's so versatile you can use it, eat it any time of the day. Now that it's broken down, you can just use your fork to give it a quick little mixer room. We're using a skillet, but you can just use a normal pan and add some butter or good old Pam if you like. So depending on your consistency, you might want to heat it a bit more or less, but I like mine a little chunky and funky. Now it's time for the skillet. So we just have a ladle here. I'm just gonna put on the skillet. Look at that. Close up, please. Yes, I agree. So we have it to about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We maxed it out for these babies because they deserve nothing but the best. We're going about a ladle per pancake.
Is that an accurate measurement?
No. So we are back, and I've handed my duties over to Mr. Gangsta Flip. Wow, that looks delicious.
Is this called Smart Fitness or eating good?
How about both?
These are low fat, moderate carb, and well, you ever seen a pancake that has 10 grams of protein per? Bet you haven't.
I know I haven't.
I don't know what's more ironic, the way that we speak here. The fact that we both like Big Bang Theory and we're speaking like fun with flags, or the fact that this is just how we are.
That's just how we are. that, folks.
And that, folks, as Carly just said, is our banana pancake recipe. Stay strong, ladies and gentlemen, bulk hard, and get shredded.